Introducing Top 5 Nokia Super 5G Smartphones. You can buy the phones from description links. Number 1. Nokia G300. The 5G-ready smartphone doubles as your entertainment companion. Capture stunning photos with motion shots, 16MP triple lens camera with 5MP ultra-wide lens and 2MP depth lens. It is Snapdragon with 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM. It has a side fingerprint sensor and stays secure and is supported with Android 11. Its charging speed is 18 Watt. Wireless charging is unavailable on this phone. It is available in meteor gray color. Its price is about $191. Number 2. Nokia X100. Blazing fast 5G with super long 4470 mAh battery. A Zeiss Optics 48MP camera, plus width, depth, and macro lenses for professional style shots with 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM. It is available midnight blue in color. Its price is about $250. Number 3. Nokia XR20. It is a 5G phone with extra features like 15-watt wireless charging and 18 watts wired. Its processor is Snapdragon with 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM. Its front camera is 13MP and 48MP back comes with Zeiss Optics. It is strong enough to resist the whims of kids, the slobber of pets, as well as drops and scratches. Its colors are ultra blue and granite gray. Its price is about $585. Number 4. Nokia X10. It is a 5G phone with a Snapdragon processor. It has 128 built-in and 6GB RAM. Its battery is 4,470 mAh with an 18-watt charging speed. It has a 4K video recording option with 48MP back and 8MP front camera. All qualities of Nokia smartphones are similar. It is available in forest, snow color. Its price is about $320. Number 5. Nokia 8.3. The best and most beautiful phone ever. It has a 4,500 mAh long battery with a 64MP quad 4K camera. Its all remaining qualities are the same, but I like this phone mostly because of its beautiful color and look. Its color is Polar Night. Its price is about $400. All the phones shown in this video have some similar features like Android 11 with 3 years of OS upgrades including security and warranty. Please comment which phone you most like. And don't forget to buy from the description Amazon link to get a discount.